We had a large client. They are a assisted living center, a very large one. They hired us because they didn't have an IT person. They, strangely enough, and they needed somebody to help them build back up again because they had outsourced it to a cloud provider. And in short, we basically insourced all the technology, brought it back in-house, and got them up and running with that. All their dozen or so plus locations, and we serviced support for all those locations while we were rebuilding all the technology. It was a great accomplishment. It took several months to accomplish the project, and the client was very pleased, and it set a foundation for them going forward to build upon.